Hello and welcome to Scale War Machines. Time for another guide looking at popular modelling products. Here's what we'll be looking at this time. Decals are an integral part of the model making experience, but as well as being used for markings, they can also be used for other modelling tasks. Archer are world-renowned experts in the field of dry and wet transfers. They've been doing it for years, and their catalogue is bulging with inspiring sets of markings and useful designs. They've also put this experience to good use with a range of surface detail sets. The sets use resin to create raised details. The three-dimensional resin details are attached to a transfer carrier film, so you can remove them easily and apply them to your models. There's a whole range of references available, and here's a cross-section, from resin rivets to weld beads and non-slip textures. There's countless uses for these different sets. You can get them all from Hysterex agents. To apply them, simply cut away the item you want to fix. Here we're using some casting numbers and symbols. Then treat it like a transfer or decal. Cut around the item to trim if necessary, and then use water to release the surface detail from the backing sheet. The easiest way is to gently wet the back of the paper and wait a few minutes. After the water has loosened the item from its backing, you can apply it using a brush, tweezers, or even a scalpel. As with all decals, using a setting solution will help the piece to attach to the surface. Here, we're using a coat of micro sol. It's best to apply the surface details either to the bare plastic or after your first primer coat. Once dry, the surface details are extremely convincing, with no silvering or visible edges. You can then paint as normal. And here's an example of the resin weld beads. An especially useful item for armour modellers. These surface details are a fantastic asset to any scale modeller, giving you a cost-effective and hassle-free way to add convincing extra realism to your models. Make sure you give them a go today. There's more videos on the website, and you can check out our Facebook, Google+, and Twitter communities. Bye for now.